that this entire melody is being played on one bass guitar without a pick and without striking the string. Most bass players believe that bass tapping is only for advanced bass players like Victor Wooten, but that is not true. In the next few minutes, I will show you simple step-by-step approach on how to play bass tapping from scratch, even if you have never played it before. And by the end of this lesson, you will be able to play your very first bass tapping groove, understand how the technique works, and avoid the biggest mistakes that some self-taught bass players and beginners make that stop them from sounding clean on the bass. So what is bass tapping? Bass tapping is a technique where both hands are used to tap the note directly on the fretboard instead of plucking every single note with your picking finger. With bass tapping, both hands create notes directly on the fretboard, which allow you to create sweet melodies, harmony, and piano-like sound on your bass guitar like this. So to learn tapping on bass guitar, we are going to use E. To play tapping on bass, step 1, your left hand needs to hammer on the note on your fingerboard, while your right hand tap the note. Hammer on, tap, 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 hammer on, tap. Speed. Try this across fretboard. On our step 2, let's add up more notes to this tapping technique. Simple improvisation. Tap, hammer on, tap, hammer on, tap, hammer on. Try this across fretboard. On our step 3, we're going to add more notes to improvise these tapping techniques on bass guitar. But before we do that, here are 5 common beginner mistakes to avoid when playing your tapping on the bass guitar. 1. Hitting the strings too hard. Relax and hammer on the string gradually. Familiarize yourself with your fret and fingerboard. Locate your note. Play each note. Accuracy. With practice, this can be solved. 2. Missing fret. As a beginner, you need to use consistent finger pressure while starting your tapping, and I believe with consistent practice, you'll be able to achieve this. 3. Forget to mute unused strings can cause distraction to your tapping. So you need to mute your unused strings, more especially using your left hand. You mute the strings before you take your tapping. 4. Trying to play too fast. As a beginner, start gradually. Gradual process can change the game for you. As time goes on, you develop your desired goal and speed. 5. Giving up too early. As a beginner, you need to understand that consistency beats talent. Believe in yourself, believe in your dream, believe in your bass, believe in your career, and say no to giving up. On our step 3, we're going to add more notes to improvise these tapping techniques on bass guitar. G, D, E, C, G, D, E, C. Try this application. Hammer on, tap, 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 hammer on, tap. Simple improvisation. Speed. Improvise across fretboard. Simple improvisation. You have to remember that bass legend Victor Wooten did not become a world-class bass player overnight. He developed his sound through years of focused practice, creativity, and consistency. So you don't have to play exactly like any other person or anyone else. Learn the techniques and use them to discover your own voice, your own creativity, and your own talent. If you find value in these lessons, let me know at the comment section which of the bass tapping techniques are you going to start immediately. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share your amazing feedback. Turn up your notification. Thank you. See you on the next lesson. God bless you.